Save yourself. Say confidently, don't worry. Did you know that 2 simple words could change how women perceive you forever? Hi, welcome to Save Yourself, the channel where we help you navigate relationships, boost your confidence, and become the best version of yourself. Today, we're diving into the secret behind the phrase, I want, and how it can completely transform your interactions with women. These aren't magic words, but they have the power to reshape your presence and relationships when used with confidence and intention. Let me show you how to master this simple yet profound technique. Stick around to the end because I'll share a practical challenge that could change your life. But first, if you find this content helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Save Yourself. Your support helps this channel grow and allows me to bring more value-packed content directly to you. Now, let's get started. Why many men struggle in conversations with women. Let's talk about a common problem. Many men unintentionally sabotage their chances with women by being overly accommodating or indecisive. Picture this. You're on a date and she asks, "What should we do this weekend?" You respond with, "Whatever you want to do is fine with me." Or worse, "I don't know. What do you think?" While these answers seem polite, they lack leadership. Women often interpret this as indecision or a lack of confidence. And let's be real, confidence is one of the most attractive traits in any man. Why does this happen? Fear of rejection. You don't want to come off as pushy, so you take a back seat. Uncertainty about desires. You may genuinely not know what you want, and that's okay. But expressing clarity is crucial in building attraction. Cultural conditioning. Society often teaches men to avoid conflict and prioritize others' desires, which can lead to passive behavior. The result is that you inadvertently project uncertainty, which can cause her to lose interest faster than you think. The psychology behind I want. Let's break it down. Why are the words I want so powerful? They signal confidence. Confidence is magnetic. When you say I want, you show decisiveness and self-assurance. Women are naturally drawn to men who know what they want and aren't afraid to express it. They demonstrate leadership. Leadership isn't about control, it's about guiding the interaction. Saying, I want, gives you the ability to take charge of the conversation or situation in a respectful way. They promote clarity. Ambiguity is a turnoff. Women appreciate clarity because it makes them feel secure and understood. They trigger attraction. Studies in psychology suggest that assertiveness, when combined with kindness, triggers feelings of attraction and trust. How to use I want in real-life scenarios. Now that you understand the psychology, let's explore how to use I want effectively in different situations. Asking her out. A lot of men fall into the trap of being vague when asking someone out. For example, "Hey, if you're free, maybe we could hang out sometime?" This sounds unsure and uninspiring. Instead, try this. "I want to take you to dinner on Friday. Are you free at 7?" This statement exudes confidence. It's clear, direct, and leaves little room for confusion. Starting a conversation. Imagine you're at a social event and you spot someone you're interested in. Don't overthink it or rely on generic compliments. Instead, use the power of I want. Say, "I want to get to know you better. What's your story?" Or, "I want to hear about your favorite travel destination. Where would you go if you could leave tomorrow?" This shows that you're intentional and genuinely interested in her as a person. Deepening a relationship. In established relationships, clarity and confidence matter even more. For example, instead of saying, "Whatever you prefer is fine," try, "I want us to spend quality time together this weekend. Let's plan a trip to the countryside." This not only shows your desire, but also demonstrates your commitment to nurturing the relationship. Common mistakes to avoid. While I want is powerful, it's important to use it correctly. Here are some pitfalls to avoid. Sounding authoritarian. Confidence doesn't mean arrogance. Your tone should be assertive but respectful. For instance, don't say, "I want you to stop talking and listen to me." Instead, frame it positively. "I want to share my perspective, can we talk about it?" Ignoring her preferences. Using I want doesn't mean bulldozing her opinions. Always leave room for dialogue. Example, "I want us to have dinner tomorrow, but let me know what works best for you." Overusing the phrase. Don't insert I want into every sentence. It can come off as robotic. Use it strategically in moments where clarity is needed. Building the habit of using I want. Confidence isn't built overnight. It's a habit you cultivate over time. Here's how to start. Daily practice. Set a goal to use I want 5 times a day. It doesn't have to be in romantic situations. Use it at work, with friends, or even with strangers. Examples. At work, I want us to prioritize this project for better results. With friends, I want to try that new pizza place. Let's go this weekend. With yourself, I want to wake up early tomorrow and hit the gym. Advanced techniques for using I want. Once you're comfortable using I want, you can take it to the next level by combining it with other psychological principles. Mirroring. Reflect her preferences while expressing your own. Example, I noticed you love Italian food. I want us to try that new Italian spot downtown. Framing. Frame your desires in a way that benefits both of you. Example, I want us to spend more time together because I really enjoy your company. Storytelling. Use I want in a story to make your point more engaging. Example, last weekend I went hiking and it reminded me how much I want to explore more trails with you. The ultimate challenge. Here's my challenge for you. For the next 7 days, consciously use I want in your interactions. Keep track of the results. Notice how people respond differently. At the end of the week, come back to this video and share your experiences in the comments. I'm excited to hear how this simple phrase changes your life. Closing thoughts. Using I want isn't just about attracting women. It's about becoming a more confident, decisive, and intentional person. When you master the skill, you'll notice improvements in all areas of your life, from relationships to career to personal growth. If you're ready to take your confidence to the next level, check out our video on crafting magnetic messages, a guide to sending texts that leave a lasting impression. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to save yourself. Let's keep building the best version of you. Until next time, stay confident and take action. See you soon.